Hi, I am Vansh from Baba Farid College of Engineering and Technology, Bathinda. I am a second year student and I am thrilled to have the opportunity to share with you why I believe I am best fit for the role of GDSC Lead. Ever since I was young, I was fascinated by the potential of technology to change lives and empower communities. From coding my first website to exploring the latest advancements in AI and machine learning, my passion for technology has only become stronger. Throughout my academic and professional journey, I have had numerous opportunities to lead and inspire others. Whether it's leading a project team to success or mentoring junior developers, I have always been committed to fostering a collaborative and supportive environment. I firmly believe in the power of technology to bring positive change in the society. As a GDSC lead, I am dedicated to leveraging our resources and expertise to make a meaningful impact in the community. So, if I selected as a GDSC lead, I have a clear vision for how I will contribute to the growth and success of our chapter. From expanding our outreach to hosting engaging events that cater the diverse interests of the students, I am excited to collaborate with fellow members to take GDSC to new heights. In conclusion, I am incredibly passionate about technology, experienced in leadership from last 2 years, committed to community impact, and have a clear vision for the future of GDSC. I am confident that with my skills and dedication, I can make a significant contribution to the GDSC team. Thank you for considering my application, and I look forward to the opportunity to serve as a GDSC lead. Thank you.